And since then, I've underlined the the trust of Baba, the trust of the seniors is very important. And then Baba will keep making us instruments for different tasks. So one is our own speciality, our own skills, and the other one is through Baba and through the family. You keep getting, you keep feeling contentment. You will keep getting service opportunities. You will be successful, and you'll be full. You'll remain full. Go into a little deeper aspect of this. Baba is saying, remain beyond any limited desires and always remain full. Any service that makes you discontent is not service. Any service that makes you discontent is not service. Service means something that gives you nourishing fruit. Do it with happiness. Stay happy and do it with happiness. And when you do something, staying happy, if there is discontentment in service, then leave that service. But never let go of your contentment. Never let go of your contentment. So it's deep, and we need to understand this deeper. Always remain beyond any limited desires and always remain full, and you will become equal. If this would have happened, it's good. If this had happened, good. But whatever is there now, and if you stay happy with this, then even moving forward, you will feel full. You'll remain full. And the opportunities that you will get at every step. I didn't have the qualifications in many aspects. But you're responsible, you're content. Because of you, everyone else is happy and content. And they keep looking at it. And you kept getting on response. Keep giving this, give this task to her, give this task to her. So in the drama, I always think that no one can take anyone's fortune nor give anyone's fortune. We receive our birthright from Baba. Our certificate is okay. We need to get a certificate from Baba. But first certificate, we need to take it from Baba. First from Baba, we need to take the certificate, and then from the family. So internally, you should have this thought that every moment I need to be content. And with that, your fullness will keep increasing. And because you keep increasing, then you will have contentment as well. Every moment of the confluence stage, if you are not content, then when will you be content? In the golden age, you will be happy. It won't be more than what we are here. That's when the sanskars we will take. So always think that the best purusharth, the effort that we should make for our fortune is thought, nature, and sanskar has to be content. I should make my thoughts, my sanskars of contentment, sanskar, and with that perspective, do everything. And then from your mouth, you will only say, Vah Baba, Vah drama, and Vah my fortune, wow. And Baba will keep making you instruments. In the UN, once there was a very big conference, and we couldn't reach there on time. So one sister said, we'll go by train and we'll reach. And as soon as she reached by train there were many reporters, they were sitting. They took interview by, she gave the interview. She never thought, and she was thinking more sisters will come.
तो हमने सोचा देखो उसको कैसे एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई।
How she got the opportunity. And in the television she came.
न संकल्प था न इच्छा
Because there was no thought, there was no desire. She was ready. They offered. That's it. And she became instrument for service. So Baba sees everything of us, and the drama is our companion, and our fortune is also created. But never have limited desires. So keep attention on that. Stay as a jewel of contentment. And you'll remain full. When you remain full, you'll automatically become equal. Om Shanti.
Avyakt Murli Revision
Avyakt Murli Revision from 1969. Jewels of knowledge and pearls of love.
अव्यक्त वाणी तारीख है 27 दिसंबर 1974।
The date is 27 December 1974. May you be yogi and pure through the attainment of blessing. Today's gathering is of the souls who have attained all blessings from the bestower of blessings. Out of all the blessings attained from the bestower of blessing, what are the two main blessings in which all other blessings are merged? Do you know? Do you know them very well? Or have you become the embodiment of the blessings and an image of that grants blessings? Those who are the images that grant blessings to themselves can become an embodiment of blessings and a bestower who grants blessings to others. So ask yourself, have you become an embodiment of the two main blessings? That is, the blessings of may you be yogi and may you be pure. Have you become an embodiment of this special course? Have you finished this course or are you still doing the course? The meaning of the 7-day course is merged in these two main blessings.
सप्ताह कोर्स का रहस्य इन दो वरदानों में समाया हुआ है। जो भी यहाँ बैठे हैं, क्या उन सब ने यह कोर्स समाप्त कर लिया है?
Have all those who are sitting here finished the course? Or are you still doing the course? To do the course means to return, having filled yourself with force. If you don't experience the force of constantly being yogi and pure, that is, of being an embodiment of power, then you wouldn't be called an embodiment of power, but someone who is still practicing to become an embodiment of power. The form of the self should constantly and naturally stay in your awareness, just as you are constantly and naturally able to remember your corporeal form. You don't even have to practice this, but have to make effort to forget it. In the same way, your original form and your being the embodiment of blessings should constantly be in your awareness.
अपना निजी स्वरूप व वरदानी स्वरूप सदा ही स्मृति में रहना चाहिए।
There shouldn't be the slightest name or trace of impurity or forgetfulness. This is known as having done the course of blessings. Have you done such a course? Just as you don't allow someone who hasn't completed the 7 days course to come to class. In the same way, Brahmin children who don't finish this course in a practical way are not allowed to come into the first class either by Bap Dada or by the drama. The rest of the Murli will be continued tomorrow.
तो बाप
Om
दादा
Shanti.
व ड्रामा भी उनको कौन सी क्लास में आने नहीं देते? अच्छा, आगे की मुरली कल सुनेंगे। ओम शांति।